All right, get ready, because today we're going deep on link building for SEO.
Ooh, link building.
I keep hearing it's not just about keywords anymore. It's
Yeah.
more about building these real connections online.
Absolutely.
It's almost like instead of just shouting your message to everyone,
Yeah,
you have other people who are respected recommending you.
that's a great way to put it. It
Yeah.
really captures the essence of link building. And we have some great source material today from a Brazilian SEO company called Digmark.
Oh, cool.
They actually have a whole podcast series on this,
Wow.
really laying out a roadmap for building authority online. And it all starts with understanding backlinks.
Okay, so I get that backlinks are links from other websites to your website.
Right.
But what makes those so valuable? Why do search engines care so much about them?
Well, think of it this way. Search engines like Google are always trying to figure out which websites are the most trustworthy and relevant.
Mm-hmm.
Backlinks are like signals.
Okay.
Each link is like a vote saying, hey, this website has good stuff.
So the more votes you get from these other websites, the
Yeah.
higher you're going to rank.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it's not just about the number of links. It's about the quality.
Oh, okay.
So a link from a super respected website in your niche
Mm-hmm.
could be worth more than tons of links from random sites.
That makes sense. But why would another website want to link to my website in the first place? What's in it for them?
Well, there are a bunch of reasons.
Okay.
Sometimes they just want to share good info with their audience.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have amazing content,
Yeah.
like an in-depth guide or unique research,
Okay.
other websites might link to it as a resource.
So it's like step one is create something amazing.
Yeah.
And then how do we entice them to link to us?
You can reach out and suggest like a link exchange.
Yeah.
Maybe you have an article that goes well with one of theirs,
Mm-hmm.
or you've built something that would be helpful to their audience.
Oh,
Building relationships and offering value opens doors for backlinks.
I like that. It's not just begging for links. It's about saying, hey, we can both benefit here.
Exactly.
Now, are there any bad backlinks that we need to watch out for?
Definitely toxic backlinks
Okay.
from spammy or low quality sites can actually hurt you.
Oh, wow.
It's like a bad recommendation.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And search engines are getting better at spotting those
Okay.
so they can penalize your website.
So we have to be careful where those links are coming from.
For sure.
But how do we actually build high-quality backlinks? Like, what strategies actually work?
Digmark lays out 7 key strategies.
Okay, let's hear it.
It's all about providing value and building genuine connections.
Okay,
So first up, creating exceptional content.
got it.
That's the foundation of it all.
Yeah.
You've got to give people a reason to link to your site,
Okay.
something they can't find anywhere else.
So not just like a basic blog post.
Right. Think bigger.
Okay.
For example, say you're in the travel niche.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of just, 10 tips for packing your suitcase, you can make an interactive packing list tool that people could customize based on their trip.
That's cool. People would actually use that.
Exactly, and they'd want to share it.
Okay, I'm starting to see the difference here.
Yeah,
It's about that next level stuff.
it is.
That people are like, I have to share this.
Yes.
What else? What other strategies?
Another good one is guest blogging,
Oh, yeah.
writing articles for other sites in your niche.
Okay.
It's win-win because you get to reach a new audience,
Mhm.
build relationships with those site owners,
Yeah.
and get a backlink.
So you're kind of borrowing their platform to get in front of new people.
Exactly. The key is to give real value to their audience.
Okay.
Don't just make it all about you.
Right. Give them something good.
Yes, focus on making it informative and engaging for their readers.
Makes sense. Okay, so we've got the great content, we've got the guest blogging. What's next?
Well, this one's kind of like a detective game.
Okay.
It's called broken link building. You find relevant websites and look for broken links.
You mean those annoying 404 errors?
Yes, those.
I hate those.
Once you find a broken link, you see if you have content that could replace it.
Okay.
Then you reach out to the website owner,
Mm-hmm.
let them know about the broken link, and offer yours as a solution.
So you're doing them a favor by helping them fix their website.
Exactly.
And in return, they might just link to you.
It's a win-win.
That's so smart. Okay, so we've got those 3. Great content, guest blogging, and broken link building. What else can we do?
Let's talk about digital PR and getting press mentions.
Okay.
This is all about creating newsworthy content.
So, like making headlines.
Yes. Think about what would be interesting to a larger audience.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a survey with surprising results,
Okay.
or a new product that solves a tough problem.
Right.
If you craft a good press release and reach out to the right people,
Mm-hmm.
you can get the word out and earn links from news sources.
That makes sense. It's a great way to build credibility.
It is.
All right, what's next on our list of strategies?
Becoming a valuable resource.
Okay.
Creating resources and tools.
Like what?
Ebooks, checklists, templates, calculators,
Oh.
anything that gives practical value to your audience.
So it's not just information, it's stuff they can actually use.
Exactly.
Right.
People naturally link to things that make their lives easier. So if you're in the fitness space,
Yeah.
you could create a calorie tracker or workout planner.
Okay.
Those are the kinds of things people bookmark and share.
I love that. It's like giving before you get.
It is.
What else can we do to
Right.
build those connections?
Participate in forums and communities.
Oh, yeah. Online communities.
Find the ones for your niche and become an active member.
Okay.
Answer questions, give advice, share insights.
So it's like networking, but online.
Exactly. If you're helpful and engaging, you'll become a trusted source.
And people will start linking to you.
They will.
Got it. Okay, we've got 6 strategies down.
Right.
What's the last one in our link building arsenal?
This one is called the skyscraper technique.
Yeah.
It's about making something good even better.
I like that.
You find popular content,
Yeah.
see what makes it work, and then you create something even better.
So you're not just copying, you're improving.
Exactly. Then you reach out to the websites linking to the original
Okay.
and suggest they link to your superior version.
So you're like, hey, I know you like this, but check out mine.
Exactly. It's a
Oh.
great way to get high-quality backlinks.
Oh, I like that. Okay, so we've covered 7 powerful strategies
We have.
for building these high-quality backlinks, but how do we know if it's actually working?
That's a great question, and it's something we'll dig into in the next part of our deep dive.
Ooh, can't wait.
We'll talk about the key metrics to watch, tools to analyze your progress, and the little details of link building that make a big difference.
This has been eye-opening already. I'm realizing link building isn't just some SEO trick.
Right.
It's about building real connections,
Yes.
providing value, and becoming a trusted voice online.
Well said. And that's what makes it so effective. When you do link building right, it can totally transform your online presence,
Yeah,
boost your credibility, and bring more people to your website.
that sounds like a recipe for success.
It is.
So everyone listening, make sure to tune in to part 2 of our deep dive, where we'll uncover the secrets to measuring your link building success and fine-tuning your strategies
It's going to be good.
for maximum impact.
Welcome back to our link building deep dive. We covered a lot in part 1, exploring backlinks and 7 strategies for attracting them.
Yeah, it was a lot.
But now it's time to make those strategies even better.
Okay, I'm ready to level up. Let's do it.
So let's start with something called anchor text.
Anchor text.
It's the clickable text that makes up the link.
Oh.
What users see and what search engines use to understand the link.
So instead of just seeing a URL,
Right.
we see actual words that tell us where we're going.
Exactly. And the words you choose for your anchor text really matter. Ideally, you want them to be relevant to the page you're linking to, but also they need to sound natural.
Okay, so give me an example.
Sure, let's say you're writing about productivity apps and you want to link to your favorite to-do list app.
Okay.
Instead of just saying, click here,
Right.
use something more descriptive like best to-do list app or my favorite productivity tool.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. It gives more context.
Exactly, for both people and search engines.
So it's like a balance between being clear and sounding natural.
Yes, exactly. Now, where you put that link also matters.
Oh, the placement of the link.
Yeah, it's called link placement.
Okay.
And links within the main content, especially early on,
Yeah.
usually carry more weight than those tucked away in the footer or sidebar.
So it's prime real estate.
That's a good way to think about it.
The better the location,
Yeah.
the more valuable the link.
Think about it from the user's perspective.
Okay.
They're more likely to click on links that flow naturally within the content.
Right. That makes sense.
And search engines see those clicks as a good sign.
So don't just throw links anywhere.
No, make it a smooth experience.
Okay. What else?
Link diversity. This is about having lots of different websites linking to you.
Oh, okay. So it's not just about getting links from the big players.
Right. It's great to have those.
Mm-hmm.
But don't forget about smaller blogs, forums, social media profiles, even local directories.
It's like building a diverse network.
Exactly. The more diverse your links,
Yeah.
the stronger your online presence looks to search engines.
Got it. And it protects you if one type of link becomes less valuable.
That's right. It's like a safety net.
I like that. Okay, so we've talked about anchor text, link placement, and link diversity.
We have
What other characteristics of links should we be looking at?
link freshness. Having new links coming in regularly shows that your site is active and relevant.
So it's not just a one-time thing.
Nope, link building is an ongoing process.
Okay, got it. Keep those links coming.
Exactly. Now, there's also link velocity.
Link velocity. What's that?
It's the speed at which you get new backlinks.
Okay.
A sudden spike in links can look suspicious to search engines.
Oh, like you're trying to cheat the system.
Yeah, so gradual growth is key.
So slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly. Aim for a consistent flow of new links over time.
Makes sense. It's more natural.
It is. But how do search engines actually judge all of this?
Yeah. What are they looking for?
They use complex algorithms to check the quality and relevance of links.
Okay.
Things like the authority of the linking website, the content relevance, anchor text, even the age of the link.
Wow, they really analyze everything.
They do. But what if you get a bad link by accident?
Oh, like a toxic one that could hurt us.
Yeah, that's where link auditing comes in.
Okay.
Regularly check your backlink profile for any bad links,
Got it.
like from spammy sites or irrelevant directories.
Mm.
Once you find them, you can use Google's disavow tool.
Oh, so you tell Google to ignore those links.
Exactly. Like cleaning house.
Okay, I like that analogy. So it's important to regularly check and clean up those links.
It is. And remember, this is a long game.
Okay.
Don't expect overnight results.
Mm-hmm.
Think of it like planting a seed and nurturing it.
Yeah, that makes sense. Be patient, consistent, and focus on building that strong foundation.
You got it. And eventually you'll see higher rankings, more traffic, and a stronger presence online.
Awesome. Okay, I feel way more confident about my link building now.
Good, I'm glad to hear that.
I understand the importance of quality over quantity, all the little details that matter,
Yeah,
and constantly checking and cleaning up those links.
it's all important. But I'm curious, are there any creative tactics we can use to really stand out?
Absolutely. That's what we'll be exploring in the final part of our deep dive.
Ooh, can't wait to hear those.
We'll be back soon.
All right, welcome back to our final part of this link building deep dive.
We've covered the basics, the details, and now it's time to get creative.
Okay, I'm excited.
Yeah.
What kind of creative tactics are we talking about? One approach is resource page link building.
Okay.
A lot of websites have pages dedicated to resources, tools, or links.
So it's like a one-stop shop for a specific topic.
Exactly. And your goal is to get your website listed on those pages.
Oh, okay.
Start by finding relevant websites in your niche.
Mm-hmm.
See if they have a resource page.
All right.
And then politely reach out to the owner and suggest your site.
I can see how that would be effective. You're tapping into an audience that's already interested.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What else can we do? Let's talk about infographics.
Oh, yeah, infographic.
They're visually appealing,
Yeah.
easy to understand, and super shareable.
People love visuals.
They do create a high-quality infographic on a relevant topic.
Okay.
Promote it on social media, forums, other websites.
Okay, but how do we make sure the infographic actually gets us backlinks?
When you create something truly valuable,
Yeah.
people naturally want to share it.
Mm-hmm.
And when they share it, they often link back to you as the source.
Got it. So it's about creating something worth linking to.
Exactly. Make sure it's well-designed, informative, easy to embed.
Okay, so we're not just creating an infographic, we're creating a linkable asset.
I like that. Now, this next one might sound strange, but it works.
Okay, I'm intrigued.
It's called ego bait link building.
Ego bait.
It's about appealing to people's egos, in a good way, of course.
Okay.
You create content that features or interviews influential people.
Okay.
Then you reach out to them and let them know about it.
I see. So they're more likely to share it because it features them.
Exactly. People love to be featured.
That makes sense.
It's a win-win.
Yeah, you're recognizing their expertise and potentially getting a backlink.
You got it. What else?
Yeah.
How about community link building?
Oh, yeah, like getting involved in online communities.
Exactly. Forums, social media groups, industry platforms. Become an active member, engage in discussions, offer helpful advice.
So it's like being a regular at your favorite online spot.
Yeah, if you're consistently contributing value,
Yeah.
you'll naturally attract links from people who appreciate your knowledge.
It's all about building that reputation as the go-to expert.
It is. Okay, one last strategy.
All right, let's hear it.
Newsjacking link building.
Newsjacking.
It's about capitalizing on current events.
So like jumping on a trending topic.
Exactly. Be quick and create content related to breaking news in your industry.
So if something big happens, I need to create content that provides insights or analysis.
Yes. Think about what people are searching for.
Okay.
Fill that gap. Position yourself as a thought leader.
Got it.
Reach out to journalists, bloggers, other websites.
Okay.
Offer your content as a resource. They might link to it or even quote you.
That's a great way to get in front of a wider audience.
It is, but with all these tactics,
Yeah.
how do we make sure they fit into our overall SEO strategy?
That's a good question.
Remember, link building isn't a solo act.
Right.
It's part of the bigger SEO picture.
Okay.
Understand your audience, target their keywords, create great content, optimize your website, and of course, build those backlinks using these strategies.
So it's all connected.
It is.
Yeah.
And SEO is always evolving.
Yeah, that's true.
Keep monitoring, analyzing, adapting.
Got it. Stay curious and keep learning.
Exactly.
This has been such an amazing deep dive.
It has been.
I feel like I've learned so much about link building.
I'm glad to hear that. We hope you feel the same way.
Yeah.
Link building is essential for SEO success.
It is.
It's about connecting, creating, and earning those trust signals online.
It all comes down to that.
It does. So go out there and start building those links.
Yes.
And if you need a reminder of anything we talked about,
Yeah,
you know where to find us.
that's right. Until next time, happy link building, everyone.